before I start working on the stop using this technique, and there's a lot of different techniques out there. This isn't the only one. I want you to understand that. This is just something that I use from time to time, works pretty good. But before I start doing this sort of thing, I want to make sure that I've got all this stuff on the horse. You know, I want to make sure that he understands what this snaffle bit means, that I've got that natural turn coming kind of nice. I want to be able to draw him back like this, nice low head, squeeze him with my legs and get him to kind of pick me up when I back him up and that sort of thing. You know, there's nothing super fancy about it, but I just want him to have a real good, firm understanding of what this snaffle bit means. I want him to be confident carrying me around and just no real foundational issues. I don't start teaching the stop, and what I'm going to show you today is teaching the stop with the snaffle bit, two-handed, right? And you see he'll kind of stop off my seat a little bit, but I don't want to start teaching my horse to stop off the snaffle bit until I've got him soft with all these other things. And the reason is because I don't want to create any brace in him unnaturally. In other words, I'm not going to put him in the round pen and get him loping around there and just try to wrench him into the ground. That's not what this is about. This isn't about a forceful stop. What this is setting up boundaries, and we're going to go over that. We'll just go ahead and get started with it, and you'll see as we go. So I turn to the left down there, so I'm going to turn to the right down here. I'm going to walk him forward, then start my turn. Nice and easy, and then we'll jog out. Nice straight line, or straight as bones can pull off. And guys, it is cold today. Give him the cue. He kept traveling. I pick those reins up and I bring him back to where I gave him the cue, okay? Now this is not something that Bones is gonna pick up on the first day. Don't expect your horse to do it either. Give him several days, guys. Give him a few weeks even if you need to. It's okay, especially if you're riding in the arena and you're training. Allow them plenty of time to put these things together.